Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters and mga kachi! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyo lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries at kung saan man kayong lapalop ng ating daigdig. Ay, hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the green girly cutie patuti iguana. Nabatiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night po sa mga ready ng matulog. At welcome na naman po sa bagong episode natin. We have random topics to discuss. And of course, welcome po sa ating Masters Trivias. Yan po. So, ilalagay muna natin dito si G sa baba para siya po ay makakalakad-lakad na po. Alright. So, here's G, mga Masters. At wala po akong dalang microphone ngayon. Nakalimutan ko yung microphone ko. Alright. So, before we start, may I ask for your thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel, Master Worm, for more updated contents. Yan si G natin. Nandito naman po tayo sa park kung saan po tayo ay palaging lumalakad-lakad at nagpapainit. Alright, so ano po topic natin? What's our topic for today? Of course, we'll talk about random stuff, random trivias about health. So for now, we will be talking about eating without distractions. Po, very common po ito ngayon sa atin, yung problema natin. So most of the kids, most of us, of course, lalo na tayo, yung mga matatanda, we are already in the cell phone and technology world. So what happens here is every time we eat, ay tayo po ay palagi pong nasa screen po natin, or because of our jobs, because of our work, ang problema po ay tayo po ay nagmamadali palagi po tayo nagmamadali. So what happens is we are always on the go. Hindi na po tayo nagfo-focus sa ating kinakain at sa pagkain, at syempre hindi na po tayo yung kumbaga we don't spend time anymore chewing, and we don't spend time concentrating on our meals. So most of us then is we are only given a few minutes to eat. So unfortunately, marami po tayong mga problema sa katawan natin. That's because one of the primary needs of our body is to eat and nourish our body. And there's also techniques on how to eat. And there's a specific time para makumain. Pero ang problema po mga masters and mga ka-G, dahil po sa ating mga jobs, sa ating mga works, and of course ating bad habits, tayo po ay nakakalimutan na po natin na pakinggan po ang ating katawan. Alright, so welcome. This is gonna be our topic for today. Eat without distractions. For most of us, mealtime is spent multitasking. Ayun na po. Most of us, when we are in front of the table, or sometimes we don't anymore sit when we're eating. Hindi na po tayo umuupo. We don't anymore spare even just 5 to 10 minutes to sit down and eat, because most of us have our own something else in our mind. Eating is just like a break. Okay, so that's a big problem, mga masters and mga ka-G. And we mindlessly munch on chips. So, sino ba sa inyo dyan ang mahilig sa mga chips? Sino ba sa inyo dyan ang mahilig sa mga popcorn, sa mga junk foods? Lalo na po tayo pag tayo po ay nasa Facebook or nasa social media. Ayan po, so we are just munching. Parang yung primary natin goal dyan is mag-Facebook or mag-scan over na sa ating mga cellphones or sa mga gadgets, but we're eating. Okay, munching na po tayo dyan. Okay, so or kung hindi ka naman nagfe-Facebook ay ayan po, kumakain ka po, mumukbang ka po ng halimbawa, ayun, pasta or mga noodles or mga pancit canton. Mabilisan lang po habang po tayo ay nanonood ng TV or nanonood ng Netflix or ano man dyan yung pinapanood mo, or YouTube. Syempre kung meron tayong mga premiere marathons dyan, if we have some friends that we support online or sa YouTube, syempre we're always in a hurry. That's one thing that we have to address. Okay, so mindful eating is the opposite. What we need mga masters and mga ka-G is mindful eating. Si G natin hindi gumagalaw. Okay, so what is mindful eating po mga masters and mga ka-G? Mindful eating po is the practice of paying full attention. Paying full attention po sa ating pagkain, to the eating experience. Ayun po mga masters and mga ka-G. So it's the focusing, full focus po sa ating kinakain. Kaya pag tayo po ay that's what we call the mindful eating. So we're just gonna be like the whole time you are eating, you're just focusing on the food in front of you, the process of chewing, and everything that is connected to eating. Okay? So, yun po ang pinaka-importante. Sino ba sa atin dito yung guilty? Who among you here is guilty with that kind of eating? Okay? So, why do we need to have full attention to the eating experience? Bakit po mga masters and mga ka-G? Ano ba yung reason kung bakit po tayo ay we need to have a mindful eating? So, syempre, recognizing your hunger and the fullness cues. Ano ba yan ang mo? The fullness cues po. May mga cue po yung katawan natin, mga masters and mga ka-G, kung busog na po tayo or gutom pa tayo. So, dapat po natin yan pakinggan or we have focus on that. Kailangan po natin yan na pakinggan po sa ng ating katawan. Kasi those are the cues or those are the important na mga pinapahiwatig, or our bodies or brain is trying to tell us something, whether we need to eat more or we're already full. But sometimes we don't focus on that because we're just focused on something else. Okay, so dapat we have to recognize our hunger. We have to also notice our fullness, kung busog na po tayo. And of course, observing, noticing your emotions. Siyempre pag kumakain po tayo, hindi po pwedeng galit ka. Or siyempre parang pagod ka or parang ayaw mo kumain na pinipilit mo lang sarili mo. And then you have to observe the aromas of the food in front of you because it enhances your appetite, especially when we're eating. Sometimes we don't anymore recognize the flavors. We just put everything, or nagmamadali tayo, we just put everything inside our mouth without even appreciating the flavor of the food in front of us. So yun po yung pinaka masama, pinaka ano na dyan. Sometimes you don't even know what you're eating because the food is already like, you don't even process the food because you're just focusing on watching something, or the TV or the computer or your iPad, or writing something. Okay? So when you eat mindfully, kailangan din po you naturally slow down, eat less, and enjoy improved digestion. So kailangan po talaga ang digestion natin ay magwo-work. Kasi if we are focused, if the brain is focused on something else, makain si G natin ng grass. If we're focusing on something else, the brain will not be focusing on digestion. Okay, so yun na po yung pinakamahirap dyan. The first step toward becoming a mindful eater is to remove distractions. Try your best to remove distractions po mga master. Importante po dyan is kung kumakain po tayo, set aside po natin yung mga gadgets natin. Ayan, alam natin yan. Most of us are guilty about that. Okay, so of course, close your laptops, put away your phone, shut off the TV, and turn your full attention to the food in front of you. O diba mga masters, importante yan talaga. We have to give focus, to let our brain focus alone on the food bestowed or in front of us. Yung food na dapat po nasa harapan natin, yun na po yung talaga ang focus ng ating brain. Kasi pag meron pong rival or meron po siyang iniisip na iba, ayun, hindi po siya mag-focus sa digestive system, sa digestive process natin. Ayan, so si G natin nandito pa rin sa ating plaza, sa ating park, kung saan po siya natin lagi pong dinadala. Ayan. Ayan mga masters and mga ka-G. Again, we have to promote mindful eating, especially po sa ating mga kids. And of course, we cannot start that to the kids if we don't do it ourselves. So I do recommend you mga masters and mga ka-G, as much as possible, we have to practice mindful eating. So again, mindful eating is focusing on eating and trying to set aside gadgets, trying to set aside work, or doing something else aside from eating. Okay, so I hope na meron po kayong na-learn today. Of course, always maraming salamat. Thank you so much sa inyong mga love and supports sa ating premieres every day. Siyempre dito po sa ating Masters Trivias. Si G natin, na-miss niya talaga yung mga painit. She's always, like, imagine how big the field is here. So she's walking. And that's towards, of course, the sidewalk again. And the sidewalk. And so si G natin ay super happy. Yeah. And tatakbuhin mamaya. But I'm so happy mga masters and mga G for you're always there sa ating mga events, sa ating mga premieres. And syempre salamat din po sa ating kakatapos na po na premiere marathon sa Bahay Kulitan kagabi. Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga nag-premieres, sa lahat po nag-support. Thank you so much. And hope to see you tomorrow again sa ating next topic. Siyempre marami tayong mga interesting topics na connected po sa health. For now, this is G na lumalakad-lakad po dito sa park. And see you again tomorrow, mga masters and mga ka-G. Again, this is your one and only Master Worm. Maraming salamat and God is great. Yahoo!